34 weeks tomorrow. We've got all the diapers.
Lazy Sunday morning.
I'm sure you've heard. Hi guys, welcome back to another nesting vlog. It's been a minute, but I'm back and I have filmed some things I've been doing here and there, but I haven't like actually gotten in front of the camera and talked to you guys. So hi guys, welcome back. We're all good now. I thought I would start this video here. Like I said, I have been filming some things here and there. I don't exactly know what I have filmed, but we've gotten a lot done. Like I have my little list. It's not a little list, it's actually a large list of checked off now, which is really good. I have like pretty much everything prepped for baby.
Hiding under covers, I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. The corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
I organized the dresser, which we don't have a ton of clothes because if you don't know, we're not finding out the gender of this baby, so we don't have anything like really gender specific, so we just don't have a ton yet. But I organized the drawer, and I think I tried to film it, but then my camera died, but I filmed it on my phone, so I might insert those clips in. Organized the dresser. I organized all of the like bottles and pump stuff.
Your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. Oh, I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to assent to
I have to sterilize those still, but I'm waiting to get a little bit closer to my due date. I cleaned like the playroom. I've cleaned like random things around the house. I washed curtains in my bedroom. I washed all of the baby like sheets and blankets and stuff like that. I still need to wash like baby play mats. I have this one, if you know, you know. And then I also have the Love Everyone that I need to wash. We've got all the baby gear out. We've bought in newborn diapers. Okay. Me and my friend were talking about this, but I found newborn Millie Moon, which I didn't even know existed, and I looked it up and I can't find them like anywhere online. So I feel like I found like a glitch in the system. I have Millie Moon and Coterie. But look at these tiny little Millie Moons. I didn't know these existed. They're so freaking cute though. Comment below if you knew these existed or if you have them in your stores. I found them in a Target and I don't know, because I can't even find them online, not even on Millie Moon's website, so I'm like, what? In the playroom, rearranged it to fit the baby playmat once we clean that.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate.
Washed my curtains in my bedroom.
Always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple
Organized all of the bottles and stuff. Organized the dresser and everything, and like we have all the baby things. I've started to put things away for my hospital bag, but that's gonna be probably in a separate like last prepping video for baby, like hospital bag, labor delivery, like baskets I'm gonna make, washing like the bottles and pacifiers, just to kind of have that, because I don't know when to do that. When's the best time to sterilize that stuff? I don't know. But I also just got this package in from Baby Delight. They actually sent this over. It's their little like adjustable lounger, which is really cool. Can you see it? They sent that over. I have all the other baby gear like ready. Like, oh, I forgot I didn't film this, but I washed both of the baby's car seats. So I washed Cohen's car seat, which is in the car obviously, and then I also washed the infant seat. Also, if you're wondering where Cohen is, he's just watching Bluey out there. Washed the infant car seat, so it's looking brand new and ready to go for little tiny baby. Like all the baby gear. So we've got the car seat washed and ready. I'll put the base and stuff in like probably in that last minute prepping video. We've got the swing here to set out. I have both of our bouncers. The bassinet's already in our bedroom. And then, you know, that's like it. And then we have this thing. They just sent this over. They actually gifted this, which was so nice, because I've mentioned in a few other videos that I think having something to put the baby down in, like all over the house basically, will be very important with a toddler, because I'm gonna have my hands full, but it's gonna be so good. But this is really cool because it's like height adjustable, and I think that'll be so nice like in the kitchen to adjust the height to the counter where we sit and eat, because Cohen sits in his high chair. The baby obviously isn't in a high chair or anything, so that's kind of nice to just have a lounger that can go up high next to us as well. So that's cool. I want to put that together. I'm out of breath. I am officially 34 weeks tomorrow. Here's the bump update. These are my favorite biker shorts ever. If you're pregnant, you need them. They're maternity, but these are the one thing that is maternity. Leggings and maternity shorts, biker shorts, are the one thing I'm like, yes, when it comes to the maternity items. They're so comfy. They're from Amazon. I'll have them linked. They're the like crazy yoga brand. And I need every single color because I wear them literally every day with just an oversized t-shirt. 34 weeks tomorrow. Only about a month left, which is crazy. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you just around the house things that I have done, or around the nursery that I've done to prep for baby. Okay, so here's kind of what I have set aside for the hospital bag. This is actually what is going to be my hospital bag and diaper bag. It's a Mina Bay bag. It's stunning, gorgeous. I have some pajamas set out. That's all of the baby items in that little bag. And then this is like postpartum and me things. That'll be in another video, probably packing, or either like a reel or something on Instagram. I don't know. Here's the dresser drawer. We've got all the diapers. These are Coterie, newborn, so itty bitty. Our favorite wipes, Coterie. I have some things like hand sanitizer, lotion. I've got some like probiotic drops in case baby's gassy, and some Tubby Todd lotion, and a thermometer, and a comb. Other things that'll be in here that I'm actually gonna bring to the hospital would be like nail clippers and a hairbrush. Burp cloths for days. Just like little muslin swaddles. These are the Love to Dream swaddles. This one's from Cohen. I have the gray one packed for the hospital. And then this pink one my mom actually found at a bin store for $5. And if you don't know, these are like $35. So she just got it even though it's pink. And it was just too good of a deal to pass up. So we don't know if we'll use it if it's a boy, but too good of a deal. Some socks and a hat. And then these are all the clothes. These are like newborn onesies, little outfit, sleepers, sleepers, and then those are 0 to 3 in the back. Oh, I also have like this swaddle from Solly Baby. This drawer, I have bassinet sheets, a blankie, changing cover. This is like the coverlet for the bassinet, owlet sock, like the sock part, and then tiny little newborn pants. And then this bottom drawer is a mess. Okay, we have all the extra wipes. Like I said, these are our favorite wipes. We have so many packs. They're too good. We're using them for both babies. Another pack of newborn diapers. Got my mom cozy pump, the monitor, our second monitor. And then like kind of miscellaneous, like this is like a flange sizing thing. We've got some of these, which are so good for when you start breastfeeding. Got some toys. I got this thing on clearance at TJ Maxx for this because I got really engorged last time postpartum, so I got a massager just in case we have that again. We've got some like pads. It's not really organized in the store, but those are the drawers. You guys have seen these, the bouncers from Baby Delight. We love. I got a new cover for our old one with the new like style of seat, which is really nice because I love the way you can just like slide baby in rather than having to buckle them in. Super cute. Here's the little baby. That was at my 32-week ultrasound. Perfect little baby. So excited. Little tiny sweater. You guys have seen this. I've washed, well, I got a cover for the Snuggle Me, and I washed it and put it on this. So nice. This is the little thing that they sent over, which I'm really excited about. And I don't know if you can see, it's like adjustable. So you can make it like tall or short to the ground, and you can travel with it. All that seems really nice. The swing. Okay, sorry. Cohen got really mad at his shopping cart, and I had to help him. But like I was saying, we have the swing. The car seat's clean. I also got another mirror for the car. Okay, so this is like the baby's cabinets. I do need to sterilize all of this stuff, but we have bottles. These are like all pumping kind of supplies. And then like storage, like milk storage bottles, bags, all of Cohen's bibs, his plates, bowls, snack cups, all of that good stuff in here. So that's how it's going to be organized. But like I said, I do want to wash and sterilize, and I'll probably use love this thing. This thing's so nice. I think I've shown it in a video before. It's the Mom Cozy like washer and sterilizer. It does it all for you, which is so nice. So, sorry if you hear Miss Rachel in the back. But that is pretty much everything I've done organizing wise for baby. There's not much to be done, I feel like, as far as that goes, and I've got most of it done. Some things I want to do beforehand, like before, I want to get little baskets and kind of have a toy basket for Cohen in the nursery, so that if I'm like ever nursing the baby or something, he can kind of have like a fun basket that he doesn't play with all the time to play with, if that makes sense, and maybe do a couple of those around the house. Also might do a diaper caddy. I never really did them with Cohen just because it's not like we have a huge house or a 2-story house, so we didn't really like mind just going to the nursery to change diapers, but I might do that just in case I'm in there playing with Cohen in the play like room or area and baby needs a diaper change and I don't want to leave. Maybe I'll have one in there. I don't know. Cohen would probably just destroy it, so we'll see. I'm about to make some of my raspberry leaf tea. I've started this at 32 weeks. I drink like a cup of this a day. I can't talk. I'm sure you've heard of it. It basically is just a tea that is supposed to help tone your uterus so that when you do go into labor, it can kind of help your labor progress, I guess. It's not to induce labor or anything like that. But if it's gonna help, I did it with Cohen starting at 32 weeks and I had a pretty smooth labor delivery. I didn't tear. I don't know if it was helped any of that, but we're just doing the same protocol, okay? And I ran out yesterday, so I'm gonna make some more. I basically just do like 4 or 5 cups of water in my little kettle, and then I pour the boiling water over, depending on how many cups, is how many bags. So we're gonna make my tea. I don't add like lemonade or any juice because I just don't like that. I just do sugar like as if it was sweet tea, and it's not bad. It kind of just tastes like watered down sweet tea. If you're not like in the South, you're probably like, huh? But yeah, that's what I do. So we're gonna make some of that. And then Cohen's gonna go down for his nap a little early, I think, today because he's a little bit cranky. He had a long weekend of like no naps. And also I have a doctor's appointment at 1:30, so I kind of want to put him down early so maybe he can nap at home for an hour before we have to go. We'll see, but let's make my tea.